man, that is so cool. Happy birthday to us, Finding Your Roots.
This is so intense.
Really?
Unbelievable.
It's crazy.
Wow, this is amazing.
Blew my mind.
My great-granddad
Yes,
was a candy
he was a
salesman?
candy man.
Yes!
You said this is my dad's
That's your
great-grandfather,
dad's
right? Yo, this is wild.
I asked the question.
Yeah.
Got the answer. And now I'm dumbfounded.
Who do I come from?
Yeah, and how can you ever find out? Well, I was told I couldn't.
This information is stuff that we need in order to feel whole.
It's heartbreaking.
These are your immigrant ancestors.
I want to shake their hand and give them a hug and a kiss.
Did he vote?
He registered to vote.
It makes me feel a great deal of admiration.
Sorry for my ancestors. Always make you proud of me. I'm always carrying myself to make you proud of me.
Do you feel more Jewish
Super Jewish.
than you did 2 hours ago?
I feel so much more Jewish.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's powerful. It feels like I have a home.
God, that's satisfying.
Oh, it's crazy. This is lunacy, man.
Turn the page, meet your DNA cousin.
Oh no.
No! My husband's gonna freak out.
No.
Yep.
Viola Davis is my cousin?
Who knew? Boy, this took a turn. Never expected, never anticipated this.
Are you kidding me?
No.
That's insane.
Megan, can you hear me?
I can. Hi.
I'm pleased to tell you you're going to be in Finding Your Roots.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Oh my gosh.
I can't tell you what we found, but what we found was you.
Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm dumbstruck.
Oh my goodness. Are we really this close? Are we really this close?
Oh.
These are all the ancestors we uncovered in our research.
Oh, wow.
That's gorgeous. This is a massive gift to our whole family.
This has been one of the most enlightening, fulfilling moments I've felt in a long, long time.
I am forever changed. I am forever changed.